Hey guys, someone had a question about number 27 from the homework tonight, so here we go. Keep everything with x's on one side, move everything without an x to the other side. Your leading coefficient is not 1, so divide everything by 3, because 3 is your leading coefficient. And then you have this. Okay? Next, you need to do your b over 2 squared. So this is kind of awkward, but your b is negative 4/3, and you're dividing by 2. So remember, dividing by 2 is the same as multiplying by a half. Okay, so I'm not using a calculator here, so let's see. That becomes negative 2/3 squared, which is 4/9. So what are you doing with 4/9? You're adding that to both sides. So I'm going to add 4/9. Okay, again, you can now factor the left. That's going to factor into x. Remember, it's the number that you squared, minus 2/3. And then I got to do a little bit of side work. I don't have a calculator here, so negative 1/3 plus 4/9. Sorry. So common denominator, that's a negative 3/9 plus 4/9. That's a positive 1/9 on this side. Okay, so now you go to take the square root. You get x minus 2/3 equals the 3. Plus or minus, what's the square root of 1? 1. What's the square root of 9? 3. Please be careful with your placement of your positives and negatives. So we get x equals, 2/3 plus or minus 1/3. But remember, you can actually simplify that. Okay, you can do 2/3 plus 1/3. Why can I simplify this? Because I know how to add and subtract fractions. So that actually gives you 3/3, which is 1, and this gives you 1/3. So those are your two answers.